So, my newest invention, the Knob Goblin. This is a transmitter receiver little robot type thing. One of these stays with you, one of these sticks onto your welding machine so that you don't have to climb down 300 feet or get a hold of someone to make a little adjustment to the amperage output on your welding machine. Why would you need to change the amperage output on your welding machine? Maybe you're going from flat to overhead, or you're going from thick material to thin material, or the inverse. Perhaps you're going to be using two different diameter electrodes. There's multiple reasons, but let's get into it. Alright, now here's the kind of technical teardown of the Knob Goblin. Both of these are made out of your regular 2-gang electrical boxes like you'd have outside to put an outlet in to plug your fucking leaf blower into or whatever. The receiver. The lid is held on with brass wing nuts because I'm classy. The feet are super duper magnetic. Now you can stick it to whatever. Little piece of aluminum from some cable tray. This is a 3D printed pulley attached to a servo. This top part comes off so you can change belts to different sizes. Regular 2.4 gig receiver unit, piezo buzzer, and a little panel mount LED. 2.4 little stubby antenna. USB-C charging port, 3.7 volt battery, and the charging circuit on both of these both came out of a disposable vape. So that's cool, and you shouldn't throw LiPo batteries in the trash. Our transmitter. First off, this is really cool. The potentiometer on here has a travel of 3,600 degrees. Wow, I'm caffeinated. So, super duper fine adjustment, and you actually have a numerical value that you can equate to, oh, I was at 384 when I was burning 332nd rod. Now I'm going to be at 418 now that I'm burning 1/8 rod. Inside of this is a T8S wireless drone or RC controller. Somebody bricked it. I got it for free. I think they said they unplugged it during an update or some shit like that. Arduino and 17 lines of code. I got control of it again, and I thought it was funny. It took 17 lines of code. If you know, then you know. Also 2.4 gig stubby antenna. So we'll turn this guy on. LED indicates that it's on. Turn our receiver on. Now I put a page function on it because I lose stuff. And a little potentiometer to turn our servo. These replace the knobs on the welding machine. I have two different types. 1/4 inch drive, 6mm drive, the two most common that you're going to encounter when working with weld machines. They both have a brass threaded little threaded inserts in them to just act as set screws. So now we'll go to the field.